In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Sell Lemons here on Roblox. It's going to be the ultimate guide. We're going over everything that you need to know about this game. And let's just be honest, this game is a glorified tycoon. It's actually extremely fun. But first things first, you're going to join the game and you need to use that dollar that I think your dad gives you in the very start. And you're going to use that to open up your first lemonade stand, where essentially at first it's kind of like cookie clicker. You just need to click upgrade and continue upgrading your basic lemon stand so that people start spending more money for it. You'll get more upgrades later on, like 2x cash, and of course you'll also get 3x cash. Eventually you'll have this guy right here who can also go ahead and help you out. He's going to essentially just spam run your thing for you, which is very convenient. As soon as you have the opportunity to get this guy, he's going to do it for you. You just have to upgrade this right here. But then from here, you just go through and you can go ahead and increase more of these all around. Like you can get dashers over here. Let's get ourselves a manager so that he can run all of my lemon dashers just like so. Once you have all of this set up, essentially you just got to keep going through the process and you'll just keep making more money, and then you just need to keep upgrading things overall. That's really the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.